towards me. Just relax the shoulder here for me. A little bit of movements here. Just go ahead and drop the head towards the left. Drop it.
Wow.
Very good.
That was really good.
How'd that feel?
Really good.
Awesome.
Oh, wow.
All right. Okay, nice deep breath in. All the way out. Wow.
Oh my God.
How'd that feel?
Yeah, really good.
Really good? Awesome. Okay, so I'm going to start by adjusting right in the mid-back first, okay? Nice deep breath in. All the way out. Just going to come down with a little push. Very good. All right, so I'm going to adjust right in the mid-back first, okay?
Okay.
So go ahead and take a nice deep breath in. All the way out. Come down with it, give you a little push.
Oh.
Very good. And then one more time. All the way out. Very good. Good release. How'd that feel?
Man. Oh my God.
Nice deep breath in, please. All the way out. Big release. How'd that feel?
Really good.
Awesome. Nice deep breath in. All the way out. Very good. Okay. Alright, so go ahead and take a nice deep breath in. All the way out. And one more time. Deep breath in. All the way out. And go ahead and point your toes down. Hands on your stomach for me. Relax the head, drop it.
Oh my God. Wow.
How did that feel?
I didn't know that was possible. That was good.
Did you get a good release of the
Yeah,
back? Awesome.
absolutely.
Awesome. Very good.
Oh my God.
Drop it. Wait, drop it. Okay, go ahead and take a nice deep breath in for me. All the way out. Okay, I'm going to give you a little push.
Oh.
How did that feel?
Oh, good. It's really, really good. Keep doing it.
So go ahead and take a nice deep breath in for me. All the way out. Just gonna come down over there. Big release. One more time, deep breath in. All the way out. Nice deep breath in. All the way out.
Oh.
Wow. Big release. How'd that feel?
Really good.
Awesome. Very good.
Oh my God, yeah.
Drop it.
Oh,
Right, drop it.
oh.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Drop it.
Oh my God.
To the right, drop it. There, drop it, drop it. Right, drop it. Left, drop it. Together, elbows together. Just gonna come behind and check out the neck here. So head right into my hand. Just relax that shoulder, okay? Just give full control. It's releasing already. Just drop it to the left, drop it. Wow. Wow.
How broken am I?
How did that feel?
Amazing.
That was a huge release.
Wow.
Oh, even as I was just starting,
yeah.
you could feel it go, right?
Like, whoa.
That was a big one. Okay, lean back just a bit for me.